Hello there, ladies and gents. So I was getting a couple questions on the condensing portion of logs. So I figured I'd go through that and show you a couple problems with these. So remember, in log form, once you separate a log, right, like this log and this log, if it's separated by addition, that's actually multiplication. So really multiplication here, multiplication, multiplication, right? So you've got all that. Multiplication here. Right, so if you see division in there, remember it's not really division, that's actually a 1/3 that sits in front. You can just rewrite it as over 3, that's how this worksheet does it. So this is a 1/3, really a 1/3 in front, 1/3 in front. And what happens is all those numbers in front, whether it's a 1/3 or 18 or 6, remember they're actually powers of this number. So this is actually 6 to the 18th power, right, that goes over here. So if I bring this back up top there, that's a power. If I take the 6, that goes up top there as a power. So really you're looking at log base 3, pardon me here, log base 3 of 6 to the 18th times log base 3 of 11 to the 6th. Remember, when you combine these using the times, you don't repeat the logs anymore. That's why we're condensing. So it goes down to only one log. So really, if I were to rewrite this, let's see. So it's just going to be log base 3 of 6 to the 18th, pardon my handwriting here, 6 to the 18th there times, and really times there's no more log here, condense it, get rid of that log. So then it's 11 to the 6th. And typically in this you are going to see parentheses around it because when you condense we want to make sure that those are grouped together, and it's right here. Yeah, it doesn't matter if it's forwards or backwards, 11 to the 6th or 6 to the 18th. Typically, I think they have the lowest power first, but your answer is B for that one. All right. So remember all these, and I'll skip this, I'll show you the 1/3 down here. So remember, this turns into, I'll do the first one here. So this is log base 9. By the way, these have to have the same base number. So if this was a different base than this, you can't do this. But this is log base 9 of 8 to the 5th, right? Because that 5 power goes up top. And hang on 1 second. And if you continue on the other side, so plus means multiply. This 1/3 in the front is really 7 to the 1/3 power. And that's your answer. All right, so 8 to the 5th and 7 to the 1/3 power. Now, if you look at your answer choices, I don't see that clearly, because we see a 7 here, I got another 7 here, but this is your answer. If you remember, I'll just circle choice C. 8 to the 5th is there, times 7 to the 1/3 is the third root of 7. So be careful, look for that as well. So remember, numbers in front become powers. Addition symbols are actually multiplication. And if you see a division like this, it's really a 1/3 that sits in front. So, all right, I could get rid of this whole bottom piece and write it as a 1/3, which makes it easier to see, I think, that becomes a power of the 7. All right, so check that out, see if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you soon.